Hey there, hustlers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, where we're all about making life easier and more efficient. Today, I've got something incredible to share with you, a game changer in the world of photo editing. But first, let me ask you something. How many times have you found yourself stuck in Photoshop, painstakingly selecting subjects and removing backgrounds, wasting precious hours? Well, hold on tight because that ends today. In this video, we're diving deep into an amazing tool called Remove.bg, which can obliterate backgrounds in just 10 seconds flat. Imagine the time you'll save. Say goodbye to tedious selections and hello to instant results. Are you ready to see this magic in action? Keep watching. Remove.bg is a cutting-edge tool powered by artificial intelligence. It's designed to simplify your photo editing process. Here's how it works. First, instant background removal. With Remove.bg, you can bid farewell to the hassle of selecting backgrounds manually. In mere seconds, it magically removes the background, leaving your subject crisp and clear. Second, erase and restore tool. Now, AI isn't always perfect. Sometimes it might misinterpret parts of your subject as the background. That's where the erase and restore tool comes to the rescue. You can fine-tune your image effortlessly. Third, quick and easy. Remove.bg is user-friendly. No more complicated software or hours spent on tutorials. It's a simple solution for a complex problem. Just copy and paste your image and just click on Remove Background and boom, it is done. And there you have it, my fellow hustlers. Remove.bg, your ultimate photo editing sidekick. Say goodbye to time-consuming background removal and say hello to efficiency. Remember, time is money, and with Remove.bg, you're saving both. It's time to take your photo editing game to the next level. I've left a link in the description below so you can try Remove.bg for yourself. Trust me, it's a game changer.